Okay, let me tell you why in real life working with nanoparticles is so difficult. Hi, I'm Dhanvini. I'm a PhD student and I work with quantum dots. So nanoparticles, like say quantum dots, are extremely tiny particles. Because they're so tiny, they're quantum confined, and that gives rise to all of these amazing properties, right? So to give you a perspective of how small that is, if we imagine a grain of sand to be the size of a Rubik's Cube, and you cut that up into like 1,000 little pieces, that's roughly the size scale. So we have to remember that most of these particles don't naturally occur that size. You artificially make them that small. So you use a lot of tiny little ligands or maybe organic strands of some molecule to like keep them all stable. Also, if you cut up a Rubik's Cube into 1,000 little pieces, you have so many more surfaces now. So you're increasing the surface area by so much more. So to make these tiny particles and keep them stable, there's so many different factors we need to consider, like what's going on the surface. Are there enough of those molecules around the quantum dot keeping it stable? What's the moisture like? Like what's the humidity like? What about oxygen? What about random things that can go wrong while you make these particles? I definitely prefer the magic of MCU over the magic of chemistry. Everything just conveniently works out perfectly.